Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. And to the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Click the bell icon and join the family. My daughter's hair was tangled and difficult to manage, but this homemade chia seed gel gave me so much sleep that the comb glided right through. To prepare the gel, you need chia seeds, you need water, and a blender plus a strainer. So you soak your chia seed in water for some time. Then you'll notice that they release the gel after sitting in water for some time. Then you go ahead and blend it, because if you do not blend the gel, if you do not blend it, sometimes it might be very difficult to strain the gel, to separate the gel from the seed. So if you want to ease the process of separating the gel from the seeds, you have to go ahead and blend it. Only that I did not show the part where I blended mine. I just went ahead and strained it, but that was after blending. At this point, Ella was very curious. She didn't know what was going to happen next. So she couldn't help asking, "Mommy, what are you going to use that for? Are you going to put that in your hair?" Little did she know that I was actually going to use it in her hair. If you're watching us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested in natural hair DIYs like this, natural hair growth tips, basically everything natural hair. One of the biggest reasons we lose length is breakage during detangling. If you're pulling and fighting with your hair every wash day, you're losing strands unnecessarily. What natural hair problem do you have? Is it hair breakage? If you're hearing snapping sounds every time you detangle, your hair is probably breaking. Chia seed gel creates a slippery coating around the hair strands, helping the comb glide through more easily and reducing breakage. Does your hair feel dry and rough? Dry hair tangles more easily and breaks faster. Chia seed gel helps lock moisture into the hair, leaving it softer and easier to manage. Tell me your problem. Does your hair seem stuck at the same length? Well, many people think their hair isn't growing, but often it's growing and breaking off at the same time. By reducing breakage during detangling and styling, this gel can help you retain more of the length you're already growing. What's your problem? Is it painful wash day? Wash day ends in tears. Tangles may be the culprit. The slip from chia seed gel helps loosen knots, so you don't have to tug and pull as much. Now I know what your problem really is. Your hair gets tangled quickly after styling. Hair that tangles easily often has rough, dry strands. This gel helps smooth the hair, making it less likely to knot up throughout the week. If you experience none of the problems I just mentioned, then maybe, just maybe, expensive hair product is your problem. A DIY gel is affordable and made from simple ingredients. Instead of spending money trying products after products, you can make this gel at home using ingredients that last for multiple batches. Most of you were asking where I get my chia seeds. I have linked the exact ones I use in the description. And if you don't like chia seed gel, you can substitute it with flax seed gel. As an Amazon associate, I may earn a small commission if you purchase through those links at no extra cost to you. I wasn't expecting this much sleep from chia seeds, but look how easily this detangles her hair. I want to send a special thank you to Gustav from Togo. Thank you so much, my darling, for always coming back. So at this point, her hair is fully soaked in the gel. She likes it, I like it, it feels good, it is tangle free. So stay tuned for the final look. And please don't forget to share the video so that others can also learn. Please, if you cannot easily access chia seeds, you can use any type of gel. It doesn't have to be only chia seeds. You can use flaxseed gel, you can use okra gel, you can use aloe vera gel. So it doesn't only have to be chia seed. If you would like to try this gel yourself, check the link in the description. I have linked the ingredients right there, so you can try them for yourself. And don't forget to let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you on my next one.